Hello friends, it's me, Jenny, and I want to welcome you to my channel, to Curly Q Scrapper. And I am going to be showing you some base pages that I created. So this is a kind of a part 2 to the paper selections that I did from using this We Are Memory Keepers Farmers Market papers. All I have from here is basically what I have in this kit, which is papers. And there are some alpha stickers. You'll see them pictured here. There's a sticker sheet. These are both really flimsy. So I haven't selected the embellishments quite yet. And it also comes with this cut apart sheet. So what I'm going to show you today is the base pages that I have made with them. So if you've been watching some of my videos, you know that I am doing an early prep for a crop that I'm attending in September. So I'm creating quite a number of base pages so that it goes a lot faster for me and I can get a lot more done when I'm there. So this is just the beginning part. There will be other additional things that I need to do to prep, including what I like to do is after the base pages are done, right before the crop, usually I will go ahead and match up pictures with the base pages. And then I can also do a selection. Sorry, I'm getting like frog throat. I can also do a selection of different embellishments. If I don't have the full collection, I just pull from my usually my color bins, unless the photos are themed, if that makes sense. So let's stop the chit chat for now, and let's get to showing you what I used or what I created here. So I'm gonna have I think I mentioned it during the last kind of video that I made related to these paper kits, is that it just happened to be that the timing of Janet's 4for4 series happened to align with the timing of when I had pulled this collection that I was really interested in. It's been sitting in my stash for a while. So the timing was perfect. So I went ahead, and I will have Janet's information linked below. She has the 4for4 series, and I believe it's still up on her YouTube, but Janet also has a Patreon. You guys, it's only $1 a month. And, you know, each time she does the 4for4 series, it's just a little bit different. And so I really have enjoyed the 4for4 series for such a long time, that I was all over it. I was like, yes, it was easy enough for me to pivot to do something like that. So anyway, so I'm not going to give you, obviously, because it's class content and things like that, the dimensions or anything like that, but you can kind of, you know, not all of them have I followed completely and stuck strictly to the dimensions, or mimicked her, you know, copied basically what she did, but you get a general sense. So one of the things I love about base pages is that you can use it in various orientations, right? Depending on the papers that you use. You see, like, what a difference, like just from here to here, right? And then you can also flip it around. It really is to whatever your liking is. I originally had laid it out like this, but I think I even like something like this. it's just so pretty. I love these papers to begin with. So that in and of itself is going to help your process if you absolutely love your papers. So here is the same, just again, different paper kits that I had put together, but it's the exact same, right? But it's just in the way that you choose to use it. So this one, I think I'd like to use it something like this. So I'm just going to orient them that way. This is another one using a separate page kit. I have brought in some washi here. Let me show you what I do with my washi. Some people use playing cards to wrap their washi around. I don't. If this kit didn't come with washi, but I went through my stash of washi and I just pull one of these index cards because they're white on the back. I just laid out 4 washi samples so that I could know what I could pull in at any time without having to have the rolls in my stash, like as part of my kit. Just because I was concentrating, obviously I'm just making the base pages. It's not to say that I can't pull these in later because I keep it with my kit until I'm no longer going to be working with the kit. So it stays in there. So I added some washi here. And again, the beauty of this is that it can go anyway, right? Love it. I think I like it like that, actually. So this is the same papers, just a different orientation. I like that. So here's something a little different. These are a lot of layers here. I didn't want to lose these, so I just went ahead and I put this on my index card here, just with some repositionable tape. And these strips of paper here are going to go down the middle like this. And then this one is going to go, oops, wrong side. This one is going to go over here. So, so that I don't lose things, I just go ahead and use that repositionable tape. And then I do the same thing with any other little scraps so that when they get put in a bag or something to the effect, they're not all over the place. So same thing here. You'll see I'm going to use this check for the seam, and then this one will be over here for the photo. And this one I actually framed in this darker this black and white. And then this is blue. Okay, so let me not mix those up, put that there. And this is the last page. So so this is a bunch of strips that we cut up, and various sizes, very random. And I embossed. It's hard to tell. You may not be able to tell, but this middle blue piece of paper is embossed. Let me just try to see if I can. I'll do some close-ups of this one just in case people are interested in seeing. But again, you can orientate this to, you can use whatever orientation. Did I just make up a word? I don't know. I even like that. That's really, really, really pretty. So again, because I already love this color combination, it just works. So this is very simple. I think, not quite sure how I'm going to use it yet. But I did love trying on the embossing folders. I don't have any long embossing folders, but Janet shows you a workaround that, and it worked perfect. So you guys, that was a total of that was a total of 8 base pages, 2 for each design essentially. Let me see if I could fan them out here. Yep. 2, 4, 6, 8. And once the cutting is done, I'm telling you, it goes very, very quickly. So yeah, I am so glad that you joined me, and I hope you enjoyed seeing what I made in terms of the base pages. Prior to the crop, I will definitely more than likely bring out all of the base pages that I have made, and I will go ahead and do some photo selection, and as well as put together some embellishments. So I will be sure to film that process if folks are interested in kind of seeing what I put in, particularly when there's not like, I will say I probably very rarely will purchase full collections. Every once in a while one will get me. It's August, right? It's August right now, and I can honestly say I've only bought one collection so far this year, full collection, and not every single piece, but I've, you know, just kind of the pieces that I know I use the most out of a collection. So just be on the lookout for that. And that's it for now. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and staying with me. I know I've been a little bit chit-chatty on this video, but I do hope that you will come back and see what we get into next. Bye for now.